Hi guys, it's your girl Obafo Maggie and I'm back again with another video. So guys, I hope you guys are doing well and I'm also doing amazing well. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's keep this channel growing. Don't forget to share this video, give your girl a thumbs up and also comment, okay? It's very important. Guys, let me start. As you can see at the title, what what you have to know about Dubai, or all you have to know about Dubai. Okay, so in Africa or in the world, when we heard about Dubai, we just look about the nation, the country, how beautiful the country looks like. That's how we think when we come, our life is going to be. But hey, just grab your popcorn and stay tuned. Let me take of Dubai. So in Dubai, those who have been successfully living in Dubai, they didn't come and stay maybe 1 year, 2 years, and their life begins as how they are living. If you want to live your life as you want it, as like a luxury life, you have to stay here for so long. And also those who have been survived, the business people who have been enjoying making in Dubai, that I have heard or I know about, have stayed here over 20 years. Some are over 10 years, 15 years, 7 years, 8 years. From that, you'll be starting living your life as you are in your own country. So some of us think like, when we come to Dubai, we are come to have a job, we are come to live our best life, we are come to do everything we want. Hey, let me tell you, Dubai is, when you want to come to Dubai to be a successful person living in Dubai, if you are a new person, you want to come to Dubai, or you are now preparing to come to Dubai, or in your dream you want to come and do a work in Dubai, so just prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Some of my colleagues who have been doing housework in other Arab countries like Kuwait, Jordan, Oman, Saudi, when they finish their contract, they go back home, they feel like, oh, let me go to Dubai and go and do job. At least I'll get more salary than where I used to be. It's a lie. And also, some of the agents will lie to you that when you come to Dubai, you are come to do security job. They will pay you 3,000. I'm from Ghana, so let me use Ghana money. They will pay you 3,000 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis. They will lie to you. They will take your money. After you come, then you will be frustrated. A lot of people are living at the streets. A lot of people have been overstay. A lot of people don't know what to do. They can't go back because they have done overstay. And a lot of people have used their saving money that they saved to come to Dubai, but they didn't find job and they have gone back empty-handed. When somebody tells you that he or she will bring you to Dubai, so pay this amount of money. When you come, you are coming to start job. Tell the person it's a lie. So please, kindly subscribe to my channel, share these videos to the whole world, for every people should be aware what is going on in Dubai. When you want to come to Dubai and you are having employment visa, when you are having employment visa, then it means immediately you arrived in Dubai, you are coming to start work. But when you are having tourism visa, it means you are coming to pay where you will sleep. They call it bed space. Bed space. You are coming to pay where you will sleep, where what you eat, what you wear, and even with the woman at the end of the month you buy pad, a lot of things. And also you are the same person going to look for job. And also, when somebody tells you or somebody give you work to do, job to do, or introduce you to some company, you are going to pay agent fee. And some of the agent fee, they pay 800 rams, 1,000 rams. uh, it depends on what they will charge you. So at least 1,000 dirhams, they are going to take it as an agent fee. So don't believe what some of the agents be doing to you. This, I just put this on my own, that I'm coming to share what is going on in Dubai, for people should be aware of that, because what a lot of people have been through, and what me myself and some of the people I know have been through. So I don't want anybody should come to Dubai and come and suffer. Dubai is an open country. Dubai is a beautiful country. Dubai is a country that accept tourism. Dubai is a country that anybody with a good heart, a good character can live in and survive. But when what they will tell you is not what is going to happen. When you are coming to Dubai and you get your ticket, your visa, just prepare yourself. At least when you don't have, at least you have to get maybe 2,000 dirhams in your pocket, in your wallet, for that to help you. Because the agent will tell you, pay this, and when you come, you are coming to start work. Some of the agents, when they will give you your ticket, your visa, even when you arrive at the airport, the person who will come and take you from the airport will take money from you. Best space where you sleep, and where what you eat, and even going to find a job. When you hear that there is some company here looking for workers, or there is business here, you have to go, you take a taxi, and this taxi doesn't, they use meters. The moment you sit in the taxi, it starts reading. From here to Dubai, I paid 100 dirhams with taxi, just taxi. So people have been lying to people. Some will save, some will go to stress, some will stress themselves and save money and give it to agent who is sitting on his or her, I don't want to use some words, but, and they'll use just one day, just a minute to take that money you spend a whole year or some months to save, and take it from you and push you into danger. Dubai is a country that they have a lot of jobs, a lot of companies that if you come, you will definitely get a job. But prepare yourself. Don't put yourself into danger. When you want to come to Dubai, just when you get your visa, your ticket, just have some money in your pocket so that it can save you so you get a job to do. And also, when the agent tells you there is job, they're going to pay you this, they're going to pay you that, don't put it in mind. When you are a hustler, you want to hustle, you want to go outside. They said travel and see. You want to travel and see. You want to know what they are saying about Dubai. You want to get the experiences. Then you can come, but prepare yourself. And also the amount of salary. They've been saying that, oh, they're going to pay you this. Even now. Cleaning company, some of them pay 1,200 or 1,100 or 1,000. Imagine you taking 1,000 as a lady. You're going to pay your Wi-Fi. You eat some, only accommodation they're going to give you, and transportation. They'll take you to the workplace, they will bring you back. But what you eat, you buy Wi-Fi, and you buy something. How much, even if you have a child, how much are you going to send for that child, and how much are you going to save? How much are you going to send to your parents, your family? And sometimes when we heard about Dubai or people traveling, what is coming to our mind is like the person is rich or the person has made it already. I have somebody who has come here, stay here for 1 year. She never get a job. She went back. When she spent the visa, normally when you are lucky, the agent will give you 3-month visa. When her 3-month visa expired, she went to a visa change. She's still searching for a job. She didn't get a job. So I told her that if you are not getting a job and your parents are suffering there, and they have been sending the money for you to go to visa change, why you are not working? Even if you know that you are going to get a job, you know that you're going to get the money back, and support your parent back. But this is the point that you are now setting for a job, and the choice of the work you want, you are not getting it. You are not like me, any job I'll go for it. But some of us just go for, they just searching their choice. So why won't you go back home and do business with the money they have been sending you? She been doing, no, tomorrow, this, today. 1 year, she spent 1 year. She went for 3 times visa change before going back. So when somebody tells you that I will take you to Dubai, or somebody tell you that they have some company, they want people, so pay this money, you have to also prepare yourself that when you come, and if coincidentally happen, you're going to have money to survive, okay? And what I want to tell you that when you are having employment visa, you have no problem. When the agent gives employment visa, then you are good to go. But with tourism visa, visiting visa, then you have to prepare yourself. And also, some of the agent tells us that when you come, you are come to do security. Even those who have been here for 3 years, 4 years, it's not easy to get a security job. You have to do Syria. And that Syria can take, I think they said, oh, you spend, it's like you going to school for, I think, 3 months or so, maybe 2 or 3 months. If you know you have to, you can give it at the comment section. So after going for that Syria, you pass. It's not like when you finish the school, you get your Syria, it is like exams. You are going to learn and write exams. So after you pass your exams and you get your Syria, that's the point you're going to get a security job. So if you get that security job, then you are good to go. Nobody should believe that if your agent tells you are coming to do a security job is true. Maybe you are coming to do a cleaner. Maybe you are, even that cleaner self, you are coming to search for it. When you come, you are come to search for the job, like a sales girl, waitress, and stuff. So don't believe those things that I've been telling you. It's a lie. And let me tell you, those who have been surviving, when somebody have been surviving, I think the person is okay to live here. When you are doing best space, and also those who have been security and best space, when we are African and you are here doing best space and security, some can do security the same time doing best space. That is also a business that can make you survive in Dubai, and it's not easy to get that job, because when you want to do a best space, you have to get maybe 2 months or 4 months extra money there, because people that the best place you are going to, you have to get people to come and sleep in before you can get your money back. So imagine you have rent the room and nobody, or you having only 3 people. How much will you get as a profit, and how much are you going to pay the rent? And you're going to buy bed. You buy 3 or 4 bed in the room. You have to get gas cooker. You have to get some petty things in your kitchen. So to do that security and the best space, how you have to stay here for so long, maybe 3 years, 2 years, if you are very strong, or you don't, if you didn't send money to your family, or family are not worrying you, you are alone, you are hustler for yourself, then I think 2 years, 3 years, and you are doing some company where you can save money and do that best space and security stuff. So you can't just come here without Syria and you'll be saying, I'm going to be a security. No. And also driving. Drivers also are having some, like driving a taxi or the buses. That also you have to get your license. So it's not easy. You have to know all this before coming to Dubai. If you know that this only the money, only visa and take it that you have saved, don't spend that money and come here and come and stress yourself, put yourself into trouble, and after that you go back home. You can use that money to do business in your country. When you prepare yourself well and you come, you can survive, because we went through a lot, but we have been surviving. And also, if you know somebody here like me, if I have somebody who wanted to come to Dubai, coming to Dubai will be very easier for that person, because when that person do overstay, I can support that person to go for visa change, or I can tell my boss, my madam, to help me find a job for my people, so that after they get job, they can pay me back. Okay, that's not a big deal. But if you're alone, you want to be a hustler, you want to survive, you want to live your life, you have to prepare yourself before coming to Dubai. Because this is going on, people, everybody, I want to come to Dubai, but they don't know what is going on. In Dubai, when they say they want to count those who have done overstay in Dubai, I can say 70% of people are in Dubai who don't have visa, who have done overstay, that they can't go back home, they don't have a job to do. And if you do overstay and somebody wants to give you a job, the person can tell you any amount of money he will pay you, and you have no choice. Because of you have done overstay, that you are not getting a job to do, you do it like that just to get something to eat, to survive. So let us be very careful where we are going, where we put ourselves, and the person we trust in. Agents are not people we have to trust them. It will be nice if you have somebody here who is very kind, truthful to you. That person can help you, and help you to come to Dubai and survive. So I hope this video is very advisable. Don't put yourself into any trouble coming to Dubai if you are not well prepared. Prepare yourself, get your ticket, your visa. Know that when you come, you are coming to pay your best pays. Know that you're going to find a job, paying agent fee, and know your responsibility. Dubai is a big country. Dubai is a nice country. We have a lot of jobs that you can do to survive. But prepare yourself before you come. Don't come and cry. Don't come and put yourself in danger. Don't come and stress yourself. And don't come to put pressure on your family. Some has wife, husbands, they will tell them, I want to go. They will save money, they will carry all the money to do visa, take it, the person will go. When the person go and she didn't find a job, then she'll be putting pressure on the husband or on the wife. I'm not getting job, I'm hungry, send me money, blah, blah, blah. So please, let us be very careful of what agents tell us. You have to learn from this video. Don't give your money to agents. Don't let your agent tell you that when you come, you're coming to do security. Security, you have to go to school, you have to do Syria, and it costs amount of money. So I hope, I'm just encouraging you people. I'm just to tell you that Dubai is not easy country. Dubai is there big, but hey, there's a lot of problems inside. You will see it as a beautiful, seeing it as a nice country, but you have to go through a lot before you can survive. So thank you for watching to this far. My name is Obapa Magi. As you know, please subscribe to my channel. I beg you all, guys. We are hitting to 1 year, but guys, just do some magic, okay? Let's hit 1K and let's keep promoting Obapa Magi. I love you guys. To meet on my next video. Don't forget to say a prayer and say one for your girl. Or you want me to rap? Oba him another here, Mamsima, we sure that she me friends wengina, or half an attribute, so yeah, Mimina, who same by we said, I did, you might, Opa, will, and in a decorative. Guys, yes, if you are going to vote for the best rapper in the world, just choose me because, hey, oh. Thank you for watching to this far. Don't forget to say a players and say one for you. But yeah. Peace out. Kiss, kiss.